Thanks for opting in because I'm really excited to tell you about the internet marketing and network marketing tool suite that we've put together called PureLeverage.com. I just need a few minutes of your time because this is something that I've personally invested over $5 million in. Over the past 14 years, I've been lucky enough with this system to build true passive, residual, and predictable income to build a very, very large company. In fact, my income has grown so much that I have almost 100 people working for me to build my primary business in a 10,000 square foot office. I live a great lifestyle. I have multiple luxury cars, but the best part is I get to spend a lot of time with my family in our 7,000 square foot home here in San Antonio, Texas. So let me take you by my home and show you what this system has specifically done for my lifestyle and what it can do for yours as well. Welcome to my home in beautiful San Antonio, Texas. Now this video isn't to impress you. It's to impress upon you the type of lifestyle you can build using the power of the proper system like Pure Leverage on the internet. I honestly believed, even when I got started online, that I could build this sort of lifestyle for myself. And let's face it, if you're watching this video, you believe it can happen for you too, and I'll guide you through the steps to make it happen. So if we're gonna work together, let's go take a tour of my house because my home is your home. Now, one of the nicest things of being able to run an internet business is definitely working from home. So here's my home office. Now, obviously my company's grown in such a way that we need to have a place outside of the home, but it's only 5 minutes from my home here. So that means no traffic, no alarm clocks, no anything. So I hope you enjoy the virtual tour of our home and welcome here to my home office. Now here we are in our master bedroom. Now, one of the biggest tips I can give you about running any type of business is thinking about the bigger picture and downtime. And oh, by the way, you certainly want your guard dog watching your bedroom too. This is Red, and that's our French Bulldog, Indy. But where I tend to do a lot of my downtime is over here. Let me tell you, there's nothing like waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning, getting into a hot bath, and mind mapping your day for the most productivity. Now here's our guest bedroom. This is a place where a lot of our top affiliates and very, very good friends will come to spend time with us to brainstorm their business and take it to a new level. Now this has to be one of my favorite rooms in the house. It's time to decompress, spend time with my family, and watch some amazing movies. Now here's the upstairs of our house, which is primarily the kids area, the kids' bedrooms, and one of the most favorite parts of the house is the kids' playroom because you want to spend more time with your friends and family, and that's why ultimately you want to start your own internet-based business as well. Like I said, this is one of my favorite rooms in the whole house because this is downtime for our family. My son and I play a lot of video games in here. My daughter and I play video games as well. So now that you've seen the lifestyle that it's created for me, I want to bring you back to our office and show you the exact lifestyle that Pure Leverage can create for you as well. So let's go back to the office and show you what this amazing program is all about. So I'm going to show you here what is possible with the Pure Leverage marketing system. Now you're going to see here I have many merchant accounts, all these authorized net accounts. And you'll come to learn that in business as your business grows. You want to spread your risk out. So I'm just going to log into a couple of our authorized net accounts here, okay? And I'm going to go to reports, and I'm going to show you the past 3 months or so. So I'm going to go to transaction statistics. In this account, let's just show you August. Let's go back to August 1st to August 31st here. And we'll run a report there. So as you can see, $402,000 in predictable
monthly residual income, okay? And I'm going to come back and show you, I'm going to log out of this account. I'm going to log into one of our other authorized net accounts and show you here. And let's do reports for September on this front. So transaction statistics. Let's go to September. And let's do run report. And you'll see here in this account, $563.963 in passive predictable residual income. And so as you can see there, that's just under $1 million in residual income that's predictable every single month using the Pure Leverage marketing system. So yeah, it just goes to show you what's possible. And let's move back over to this powerful Pure Leverage video.
And now, for the very first time, my team and I are going to teach you everything we know about how to build an 8-figure business online and provide you a simple, turnkey suite of marketing tools that I've used for years to build my 8-figure network marketing business online. It is very easy to use, yet extremely powerful for building any home-based business. This system will generate you leads, traffic, and ultimately a ton of sales without ever having to leave the comfort of home, talking to your friends or family, or make a single cold call ever. That's a promise. On the coaching side of this program, you can look over our shoulders and copy exactly what we do with the system to make you money and build your primary network marketing business online. You will be able to follow our footprints that we have laid in the sand. Success leaves clues. Follow our lead and use our suite of tools, and I guarantee you will have more leads and new downline members than you could have ever imagined. Plus, I'm going to show you how you can build multiple streams of income by becoming an instant, rapid reseller of our system, where we will pay you an unheard of 100% commission on all product sales that you make with your team. It's a radical comp plan that pays both on unlimited width and depth. So let me turn things over to our marketing director, Alona, and she will show you exactly what this system is and how our very unique, guaranteed 100% commissions comp plan works. Alona, over to you.
Thanks, Joel. The biggest thing you need to build a business is traffic and an endless supply of it. After all, you can have the best opportunity in the world, but if no one sees it, it really doesn't matter. We'll show you how to do that. But first, let me explain the amazing system we built for you so you know where we'll be driving traffic to. Making an amazing income online is simple when you let us build that system for you. It's a simple equation of traffic sent to your high converting lead capture page equals an endless supply of hot qualified leads for your home-based business, which equals a true lifelong residual income so that you can spend more time with friends and family. The very first tool in your Pure Leverage marketing suite you'll need is a very high quality designed lead capture system. If you're terrible at web design, if you hate all the techie stuff, and your skills in ad copy are, well, less than desirable, then worry no more. Our team of marketing specialists, along with Joel's experience and guidance, have put together what is unquestionably the best converting opt-in pages online. This system will automatically capture the name, email, and if you want a phone number of people who are interested in joining your home-based business opportunity. Once you register a prospect, the system comes with a pre-written autoresponder series written by our ad copy and marketing specialists specifically to get your prospects to know, like, and trust who you are. When your prospects come to trust you, they'll naturally want to buy from you and join your team. The second thing Joel's used to build an 8-figure business that we build for you is your very own personal and very professional authority blog and website. We'll also teach you how to blog and when to blog your personal brand. Trust me, once you brand yourself as an authority figure, people will be magnetically attracted to you. Once that happens, you are truly set for life, regardless of what opportunities you decide to become involved in. In recent years, blogging has created more millionaires than almost anything else online. With your blog, we'll teach you exactly step by step how to become the leader and the authority with the leads you've generated with your lead capture system. You simply blog about your opportunity 3 times a week, then send an email to your list inviting them to come and comment on your new blog post. Don't worry about how to build your blog or get it live, because we'll do that for you. It's the most professional blog that converts. You're going to love it. Google and all the other major search engines love blogs and other user-generated content in that blog. Blogging alone will generate you a ton of traffic, but why stop at a ton of traffic when we'll show you how to get a ton more? Our in-house marketing team, along with Joel, will show you step by step how and where to get the best quality traffic to your site. There's a lot of fraud out there when it comes to traffic. You'll get direct access to the Rolodex of traffic providers that Joel and his team of almost 100 staff have used to get our sites ranked in the top 1,000 in the world, out of 375 million websites online. Just look at the Alexa rank of some of our sites. If you're unaware of what Alexa is, it's a third-party site started by Amazon, which ranks websites based on traffic and popularity. You'll see that our traffic is massive, and we rank in the top 0.0001% of the best out there. We will again show you how to get this type of traffic with your own business. And no, our Rolodex is not solely Facebook and Google, although we will show you how to get cheap yet high-quality traffic from them as well. Remember, the profit equation is simple when you start to get massive traffic to high-quality offer. Traffic sent to your high-converting lead capture page equals an endless supply of hot qualified leads for your home-based business. So now that you have the traffic sent to your high-converting lead capture pages and your professional blog, your leads list will grow and your downline will build itself. It's then time to keep your team motivated by leveraging the power of our video email service. You simply choose your template, record your video, and send your video message to your whole team with one click of the mouse directly to their inbox, or by posting it on your blog. Making yourself available to your team with a pre-recorded video provides the best form of communication. Plus, because they're pre-recorded, you can set up a series of motivational messages for your team while you're away on holiday. Set it up once and simply forget about it. Let our technology do all the work for you so you're personally leveraged to do what you want when you want. That's the power of the Pure Leverage marketing system. A great video allows your downline members and leads to come to know you at their convenience. You may shoot your video at noon today, but a team member in Singapore may only watch it at 3 a.m. your time. This is the real power of leveraging our technology. You build your brand and your downline while you sleep. A picture may say 1,000 words, while a video says 1,000,000 more. As we all know, gone are the days of hotel meetings for live presentations in the network marketing industry, especially when you use the power of the Pure Leverage marketing suite of tools. As your team grows exponentially and globally, you'll find your Pure Leverage recruiting and live meeting room will be one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal. This amazing system allows you to communicate in real-time audio and video, conduct presentations, share your desktop or files with all your attendees. The best part is your attendees will be able to join your live meetings with just a PC and internet connection. There's nothing like live yet convenient interaction with your international team and your prospects to keep your downline motivated and exploding. Now it's time to show how you can make a very lucrative income if you choose your members area to become an instant rapid reseller of PureLeverage.com. This unique compensation plan pays out 100% commissions on all product sales, both in unlimited width and depth. Consider a hypothetical example. Let's say Tina gets herself positioned and enrolled because you shared the system with her. Well, you've now covered half your own product costs on your system purchase because you collect 50% of the sale every single month as long as she remains a member. Now Tina goes out and recruits Mike first, so she keeps on sharing. By the end of the month, 20 or more people get started and Tina pockets $1,000. Well, you're Tina's sponsor, so in addition to the residual income you get from your own sales, you also collect a bonus check based on what Tina earned. You get a 50% match of what she made. Remember, Tina made $1,000, so that's an extra $500 in leverage income from Tina's efforts on top of your own sales. Now, take a good look at the leverage power line. Let's say the following month, Tina makes $1,000 in regular commissions and Mike, who was referred by Tina, makes $1,000 in regular commissions. Well, because Tina referred Mike, she'll get a matching check of $500 from Mike's sales, a $500 matching check. And so now Tina's commissions are $1,500, $1,000 regular commissions, and a $500 bonus commissions from Mike's earnings. You can see why Tina will be motivated to find lots of Mikes and help them, right? Now here's the huge news, and you may have guessed it. you get a 50% matching check of Tina's total revenues. So now you're earning income from both Tina's incomes and Mike's income. In addition to your own commissions, you'll get a 50% matching check of $1,500, Tina's total check amount, which is $750 to you. Let me explain it again because this part is so powerful. Mike made $1,000. Tina gets a 50% matching check of Mike's earnings, or $500. But Tina made $1,000 on her own. Combine her regular commissions with her bonus commissions from Mike and her total earning is $1,500. Well, in addition to your regular earnings, you get 50% of Tina's total $1,500 earnings, which is $750. So if your regular commissions were $1,000 before, they're now $1,750, almost double what you earned by yourself. So you earn matching bonus commissions on unlimited depth. Wow, that is the power of our Pure Leverage Power Line. Now compound that with every person you sponsor, and this unlimited level power line builds massive commissions very quickly for unlimited levels in both width and depth. And all you ever had to do is spend 15 minutes a day or 2 hours a week using the system for your business, sharing it with others, making 100% commission on the product sales with your team. So now it's time to make a decision and take action. But rather, let's take a moment to discuss inaction. If you do nothing today, what will happen in your life? Nothing. You know I'm right. You'll be stuck in traffic every morning. You'll still have to answer to your boss and still be stuck in your job, which is really just a synonym for just over broke. You'll be living paycheck to paycheck, getting totally underpaid for what you're worth, and you'll never enjoy the financial security that you and your family deserve. If you take action right now, then I promise that our coaching program and Pure Leverage marketing system will get you the life you always dreamed of and deserved. That beautiful house, the nice car, but most importantly, the financial and time freedom to do what you want when you want to do it. Join us right now for our risk-free trial. Our guarantee is this. If you don't make money in your very first month with us, then simply ask us for a full refund within the first 30 days, and we'll refund you promptly, no questions asked. Even as a thanks for trying out our program, you can keep the bonuses listed below at $1,000. I know you'll stay because you'll make money with this system. But if for whatever reason you decide our program's not for you, you can walk away with a gift that's worth more than the price of our program and get a full refund as well. It's time to take action. Go ahead and click the button just below this video to get started. Here are just a few examples of the exceptional results others have seen by following Joel's guidance and system in the past. They simply took action, like you're about to do right now.
Thanks for opting in, because I'm really excited to tell you about the Internet Marketing